Okay, we got an Oreck Magnesium model LW1500. It also works on the LW100 and the Discover vacuum by Oreck. They all take the same bag dock. They all have the same bag bracket that holds it into place. And you start by putting a little hand sanitizer over the area to loosen it up. Okay, so it's not as tight. Okay, then I used to do it by using a screwdriver, but found with the hand sanitizer, that's the trick. Don't tell anybody about that. It'll come out real easy. So you simply have to wiggle it down, just like that. Okay, and it goes down. If you start bending and pushing on this, it'll break off, especially the new one. You don't want to break the new one on the way in. So make sure it's facing up. Watch which direction you took it off. You don't want to put it back on backwards like this. It'll certainly go on, but then you won't be able to install the bag. So put it up in the correct direction like this. Position it under this clamp underneath, and you just got to wiggle it back up, and it'll snap into place just like that. Easy as that. Don't be forcing it, trying to really put pressure on it. It'll just break. It's a strong plastic and it's flexible, but you can break it. I've done that before. Any questions? Feel free to contact us. We have customer support every day, and we could help you with any other problems with this. Okay, that's the way to change it. If you're in need of one of these, we do have them available. There's a link in the description below, and hopefully you like this and it helped. If you do like this video and subscribe, it really helps small businesses, and we're just trying to help our customers and potential customers like you. Thanks.